Still rocking your Galaxy S25 without a case? In 2025, protection meets personality. We tested the best, from ultra-slim aramid fiber shells to rugged shockproof covers, and broke down what makes each one worth snapping on. This case packs a lot into a slim profile. 3x military-grade drop protection, a rotatable kickstand for hands-free viewing, and a MagSafe-compatible magnetic ring. The crystal-clear back lets your phone's color shine through, while the hard shell keeps it safe. It's perfect for users who want versatility, watch videos, attach accessories, and stay protected. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag Fit. This case is a fan favorite for a reason. It combined the clear back to show off your S25's design with MagSafe compatibility, raised bezels for screen and camera protection, and Spigen's signature air cushion tech for shock absorption. It's slim, lightweight, and built to handle everyday bumps without adding bulk. Great for users who want protection and style without going full rugged. Pitaka Aramid Fiber Case. Made from 600D aramid fiber, this case is ultra slim, feather light, and surprisingly durable. It's MagSafe compatible and has a smooth, grippy texture that feels premium in hand. If you want a minimalist look that still protects against scratches and light drops, this one's a sleek option. Just note, it's more about style and feel than heavy-duty protection. Mous Limitless 6.0 Black Leather. This one's for users who want luxury and protection. The Limitless 6.0 series features real leather, shock-absorbing AeroShock tech, and MagSafe compatibility. It's built to handle serious drops while looking sharp, and the textured sides help with grip. Ideal for Galaxy S25 Ultra owners who want a case that feels as premium as the phone itself. OtterBox Commuter Series. OtterBox is known for rugged reliability, and the Commuter series balances protection with portability. It features a dual-layer design with a soft inner shell and tough outer cover, plus port covers to keep out dust. It's not MagSafe compatible, but it's a solid pick for users who prioritize drop protection and durability over slim aesthetics. From MagSafe-ready leather wraps to crystal-clear kickstand cases, these picks prove you don't need bulk to stay protected. We explained what each one does best so you can find the perfect match for your grip, style, and setup. Watch more gear breakdowns and accessory picks only on our channel.